Welcome to MPItv, sponsored by the Greater Fort Lauderdale Convention and Visitors Bureau. I'm Sarah Solomon, and on this edition of MPItv, we're learning about the Revitalized Sunshine Education Summit. But first, here's a quick message from our sponsor.
Imagine what your team can accomplish with unique venues and unforgettable views.
I wanna go where the sun shines.
In Greater Fort Lauderdale, business just shines. Plan your event at meetsunny.org.
Florida MPI chapters are raising the bar and igniting new educational opportunities and business relationships at the newly rebranded Sunshine Education Summit, or SES. Here to tell us how collaboration between MPI chapters and MPI Global is driving the success of SES is Conference Chair Nicole Unger. Nicole, tell us about how the conference has come full circle.
When the 4 Florida chapters came together with a joint venture, the joint venture expired and we decided we wanted to take this conference to the next level. So all 4 chapters came together again with a thorough meeting manager process. We selected MPI to actually manage the conference for us. It certainly made a lot of sense, and of course they're the #1 brand in the industry and their name is on the conference, so obviously it made great sense, a lot of synergy there. So with the rebranded conference, the Sunshine Education Summit, we really took SEC and all the foundation we built with the strong roots in Florida, and we took it to the next level with MPI's help. And now we're going outside the state and bringing people in.
Bringing the 4 chapters together really speaks to how Florida's MPI community is dedicated to driving the meetings and events industry forward. Can you speak to that?
Everyone in the state of Florida, I think, really feels camaraderie, and there is a lot of synergy among the 4 chapters. And when the 4 chapters really come together, the networking that is in your backyard, the contacts you make in your backyard, really, it goes a long way for value, both on networking and then again, the education. When you think the price of the conference versus your travel costs versus the amazing rates that we're offering at a beautiful, beautiful Marriott Sawgrass, it's kind of a no-brainer.
It's also a no-brainer when you think of the level of education provided at SES. We have Danielle Coker with the Wounded Warrior Project and a member of the North Florida chapter joining us now to tell us about the tremendous value she gets from the education.
As a planner myself, just the 8.5 hours that they're already guaranteeing through the CIC is phenomenal for us. Whether you're already a CMP or applying for your CMP or even going for your CMM, it's extremely valuable. Not to mention the different topics on the education level that they are going to tackle are current and up to date. Just simple things that are really in the industry right now is event safety, which I know David Lau is going to be the speaker. I've heard him once before. I'm looking forward to hearing him at this conference. He'll be phenomenal. Not to mention there's other individuals. Speaking selfishly from North Florida chapter, we've got quite a few representatives that are going to be facilitating some of these educational sessions, but some of them are 20 to 30 years in the industry, and their knowledge and experience is immensely valuable to those of us that are maybe under 10 years in. We definitely have a lot of things we can learn from them, and it's exciting that it's in our Florida backyard.
To learn more about how MPI Global and Florida MPI chapters are working collaboratively to make SES a success, read the full story in the June issue of The Meeting Professional. Thanks for watching this edition of MPItv, sponsored by the Greater Fort Lauderdale Convention and Visitors Bureau.
Bring your event to Greater Fort Lauderdale, where business happens on the brighter side. You'll find a fresh perspective on meetings in every direction, with unique venues, unforgettable views, and a natural setting designed for success. Imagine what your group can accomplish under bright blue skies and the warm embrace of the sun.
I wanna go where the sun shines.
In Greater Fort Lauderdale, business just shines. Plan your business event at meetsunny.org.